Hey everybody, this is me, Game Master Landon, and today I'm going to be playing with my friend on stunt mode, which I have to freaking wait. Oh, I don't want random mode. Oh, go back. Boom, boom, boom. So he's not in there. Probably. Oh, I know where he is. Okay, let's go ask him where he is right now.
For you.
Huh?
For you.
Oh. Neo, are you streaming? Because I can only record. Guys, I'm recording right now. You guys can't be watching this live, but I'm streaming with my friend. I mean, not my friend, my cousin. And say hello to the people.
Hello!
And his name on YouTube is
Neon Titans 09.
Yep. So it's Neon Titans 09, guys. So, alright, dude.
Hold on.
Wait.
Let me stream.
I'm gonna join you on stunt mode.
Hey guys, this is Neon Titans, and today I'm streaming. You guys can see this live. And yeah, it has started. It has started. Okay. What is that? Okay. Nope, never mind that. Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, we're doing infection mode. Okay.
Alright, I'll join you in infection mode.
Hold on.
Oh guys, if you guys don't know who I am playing with Neon Titans 09, guys, and it's Game Master Landon. Remember me from one of our live streams that we did together?
Yep, don't subscribe to his channel. His channel's trash.
Shut the... Guys, subscribe.
No, subscribe to me. I have better content.
He has to do content.
I'll just have an intro.
Huh?
I'll just have an intro and an outro.
I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do, bro.
No, you don't. You can do whatever you want.
I actually do, but okay. I'll join you on infection. Are you in infection?
No. I'm in the YouTube gaming. The stream is ending. No, I'm gonna do it on Mobs again. Mobs again's better, in my opinion.
What? Guys, I'll see you guys next time, although it's really short.